guys, my name's REA Taz. This is Doug, my 2017 Classic 500 in chrome and graphite. I call him Doug because he makes that awesome Doug sound, and hopefully you're all watching the Royal Enfield rides that I put out every Tuesday. And one of the most common questions that gets asked on that part of my channel is what exhaust I'm running. Is it stock? The answer to that question is no, and hopefully this video will update you on what I've done with the exhaust and the air cleaner. This is the stock Euro 3 exhaust, and it weighs in at a princely 6.2 kilograms. These are surprisingly heavy and surprisingly quiet. So it's a bit dirty at the moment because I've ridden it without washing it, but this is what I've replaced the standard exhaust with on Doug. It's an AEW Goldstar Exhaust, and it gives that awesome thump Doug that you're used to seeing on those videos, and it's about half the weight literally of the stock exhaust. So the stock exhaust is about 6.2 kilograms. The AEW comes in at a shipping weight of about 3 kilograms. So again, it's roughly half the weight of the stock exhaust, and that not only helps with the total weight of the bike, but it helps prevent some of this pendulum effect that you get because it's attached to the big long stroke thumping single by very little, and there's no rubber mounting, and the stock exhaust does tend to get up a sway, which seems to just help direct the vibrations right through the bike and the frame. I got this from eBay, and it was $169 delivered, and it took about 3 weeks to arrive. It's a simple install. It's literally on the stock exhaust, you undo those bolts there and that bolt there, and then you just pull the exhaust off, and you do the reverse to shove the Goldstar exhaust on. The only additional thing is this heat shield. That was about $7 I believe off eBay, and it just helps tidy up that area, and sort of, because the stock exhaust has got this heat shield and it's got this wire section that keeps your heels off the exhaust. There's nothing that you can take off that and put on that, so you just buy this off eBay and it just tidies up the presentation of the exhaust. The other thing I wanted to update you on, guys, is the Canon air filter that's installed. So it's a very simple airbox on a Classic 500. There, guys, is the Canon air filter that I use on Doug. It just literally sits there. It's held in by that plate, and then the air box goes on over the top. That's the inlet pipe to the fuel injection system. So this is the stock air filter that I pulled out of Doug. It's just paper. Get these on eBay from India. They're very cheap. There's nothing actually wrong with them, and a lot of people think that they actually run better with these. I disagree. This is what I'm running in Doug. It's genuine K&N RO-5010 as the part number, made in USA. I didn't buy this from eBay. I actually bought this from a K&N specialist because I really didn't want to pay top dollar for a fake. So this is what I've installed, and I think they run great. I run K&N filters in basically every motorcycle I have, and I swear by them. So the RO-5010, that is the model for the Classic 500 to replace this stock paper filter. Between the replacement of the stock exhaust with the AEW Goldstar and the RO-5010 K&N air filter, that, guys, is what gives me that quintessential thump 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 of Doug and the Royal Enfield. It was very, very quiet with the stock exhaust, and these days everyone comments on how awesome Doug sounds. Just an update on some of the work I've done with Doug off camera. So guys, my name's REA Taz. Till next time, I'm out. See you then.